In today's video, I'm going to be making these really cute shoe charm party favor cards. I'll show you what supplies you need, how to print the cards, and how to assemble them step by step. Hey guys, it's Latoya from Hanging with the Kiddos, and welcome to Party Favor Finds, where we take inexpensive toys, treats, and bulk finds and turn them into fun party favors using free printables and easy assembling ideas. To make these, you'll need glossy cardstock paper. I'm using Party and Confetti glossy cardstock paper, shoe charms. I grabbed mine from Dollar Tree, but you can find similar packs online too, scissors or a paper trimmer, and craft knife, and I'll show you how to download the free printable next. Next, I'm going to head on over to our website, hangingwiththekiddos.com, and I'm going to open up the blog post for the shoe charm party favor cards. On the post, you'll see an opt-in form. Go ahead and enter your name and email, then click submit. Once you do that, you will gain access to our printable library. From here, you can go ahead and locate the file, which it can be found under the Everyday Fun section. And you can click and you can download. Once the PDF file opens, you can print it directly from here or you can save it to your device. I'm going to be printing my labels out on glossy cardstock with my Epson 8550, and here are my printer settings. So once your cards are printed, you can cut out each card using your paper trimmer or some scissors. Next, use your craft knife to make a small X or slit where you want the charm to go and insert the shoe charm through the slit. This part is totally optional, but if you want these ready to gift, just slide the card into a 4x6 bag, then it's ready to hand out or set on the favor table. And that's it for today's Party Favor Finds. Super easy, super cute, and perfect for birthdays, goodie bags, or classroom treats. I'll link the free printable and all the supplies in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.